watched YouTube videos and then I just loved it and started doing. Oh wow! But your paintings are really good. I mean, you're definitely a better painter than me. That much I can tell you.
When I see the artwork, it kind of shocks me because 15 years of my life, I've been a painter and I brought home a roti from painting. And I wish the children are empowered as much, if not more, to get the bread homes from the art that they are showing here. Because that is truly freeing for the child.
It's about artists and all that.
Artists. Who are the artists?
Mona Lisa and all that.
Artists who have been the big artists of that time.
Okay, that's
there
Salvador
is-
Dali.
That's Dali.
Yeah.
That is Monet.
Right.
That is, why don't you tell them? Who's this? Hussein. And that? This one? Warhol, correct. Warhol.
Andy Warhol.
Yes, Andy Warhol. And that is Picasso. That is Edgar Degas. And that is, of course, Da Vinci, who's done the Mona Lisa. And the top is, of course, Vincent van Gogh with his what? Vincent van Gogh with his Starry Night. Yeah.
And how long does it normally take for him to make one painting?
He
made
drew it
15
in
minutes.
15 minutes. And then the coloring is,
Are
which
you
he's.
sure?
Yeah.
He made it 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
He can draw really fast.
This is quite
He
amazing.
draws very fast.
And
The coloring, he's not
and when
very
did he-
fond of
when
cal.
did he get into art, like drawing and etc.?
He used to doodle even as a kid. Even now he doodles. He teaches corporates to doodle.
Okay.
So he takes sessions for corporates.
Okay.
He teaches them doodling. But art was always a part of him. He used to even do it as a kid. But yeah, over a period, he's kept drawing. And one day he just suddenly started doing this figurative kind of art.
Nice.
And he's quite good at it. Now
And,
he does portraits. He looks at people.
The art genes he gets from his mother.
His mother,
or
his
father?
mother.
His mother, obviously, right? Because I'm talking to the mother, right? Great. That's pretty clear.
So father makes the money
Huh.
and the mother and son spend it on art.
Great. So the roles are very balanced over there.
Very
It's
balanced.
Very understood.
Very balanced.
Great, great. And what do you do? What does his father do?
I'm a special educator by profession,
Okay.
much before Varun was born.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've been working, but now I volunteer. Now I don't do so much because I'm now more of Varun's secretary, and he calls me his sous chef because he does also baking. So he's baked the cupcakes today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Then
So
I'd
he's-
love to be in touch with you and Varun. If he's a good chef, then definitely.
Yes,
for sure.
yes.
Great.
So he's a baker, and then he's also into photography. So
Wow.
his photograph has also been selected at the Bangalore International Airport. So it's already there at the T2 terminal. It's kind of done, but they'll be putting it up.
Oh, lovely.
So yeah, so he's loving doing what he's doing. Of course, every other day he says, "I want to retire."
Yeah, I wish only of us could say that. Yeah, that's true. Cool.
But yeah, he's just fun. He loves doing all this.
Extract. Thank you.
Okay. If you could tell us also, when did he start painting?
एक्चुअली ऋषिकेश जब 4 साल का था तभी से उसने पेंटिंग स्टार्ट किया था।
अच्छा।
तो जैसे घर पे उसने एक ही दिन में ना 4-5 स्मॉल पेंटिंग बनाए थे, लेकिन वो फाइन वर्क इतना था उसका, लाइंस इसके परफेक्ट थे,
हाँ।
लाइवली थे। तो तभी से हम लोग को मालूम पड़ गया था कि जो करियर वो कर सकता है तो वो उसमें करा
Artist में definitely।
इस 100%। तो उसी तरफ हम लोग उसने इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन किया है।
हाँ।
फादर एग्नल का पास आउट है वो विथ
हाँ।
80%।
हाँ।
और जे में उसे डालना था, तो इसके लिए फिर एलिमेंट्री इंटरमीडिएट उनसे करवाया और ही हैज़ डन डिप्लोमा इन फाइन आर्ट्स।
और जैसे
या
he's a diploma in finance also.
यस ही हैज़
अच्छा।
डन।
और ये जो पेंटिंग है ये लिटरली मेरी फेवरेट है, ये बाद में हम दिखाएंगे सुपर इम्पोज करके। तो ये पेंटिंग बनाने में कितना देर लगा होगा?
एटलीस्ट एक डेज तो लगा होगा, क्योंकि ही हैज़ ADHD ऑल्सो, अटेंशन डेफिशिएंसी। तो
Okay.
एक पेंटिंग पे एक दिन काम नहीं करता है, इन अ डे 3-4 दिन पेंटिंग करता है।
Okay.
तो उसमें वो इंटरेस्ट बनाया रहता है ऐसे। और जैसे कॉलेज था तो उससे एक कॉन्सर्न ये था कि यही सब्जेक्ट करना है, यही करना है। लेकिन उसके बाद एक बार उसके सर ने उसे कैनवस दिया विथ ऑल द कलर्स, ऑल द मटेरियल, एंड जस्ट फ्रीडम दिया, आपको जो करना है वो करो। तो जो 2-3 मिनट वो सिर्फ कैनवस को देख रहा था, एज इट इफ ही इज टॉकिंग टू दैट कैनवस। और उसके बाद उसने एक यूनिक स्टाइल उसका जो ये स्लोली डेवलप हो रहा है, तो जो सबको पसंद आ रहा है। तो
It
वो
is really good. मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है कि it's computer generated, but he's obviously made it with his hand.
नहीं, he
If
has
it's
done
so
it
good, it's
properly.
looking like it's computer generated. ठीक है.
Fine art.
I would like to do the Tree of Life, and this is the country road. This is and it felt like home. And this is we already saw Big Girl Big World. This is the seasonal flowers, and this is the orange passion. Okay.
Okay. And how long does it take for you to make each painting?
I don't know anything about that.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Sahil generally likes to paint, floral. He likes a lot of bright colors, vibrant. Maybe his manifestation, blooming like a flower and having those vibrant colors and very freshness in the paintings. That's it.
What age was he when he started painting?
He started very young, but then in between the COVID times, nothing. But during the COVID, he again took it up, and that's how we had his solo exhibition at Press Club of Mumbai. Sometimes it takes about 2 days, or sometimes he finishes in 1 day, and sometimes he finishes even in 2 hours also.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so from painting to painting.
Yes, depend painting on painting. Yes.
Their dreams, and above all art. The vision that we dreamt a couple of years ago to create various platforms to showcase art by neurodiverse individuals, so as we could create an inclusive ecosystem, so that they can carve a niche for themselves in the world of art, it's slowly coming into shape. This inspiration to dream such big dreams, I think, comes from the support we have amongst each other as parents. And also, to mention some institutes, especially UNI, I think we all know what UNI does for us. They work tirelessly for the special needs community, and they guide all us parents in the right direction. They've always been there. And after that, we have our Forum for Autism, who works towards empowering parents, our children, and building neurodiverse, friendly spaces. Thank you so much. And then, and I think there is some great power, at work up there when Abhishek sir and Shripriya ma'am, they saw the art by the children at Umeed's Green of Hope event, and they loved it so much. They were gracious and kind to offer this gallery to us, and I think they've just been so very prompt. They've been so We have Dr. Rupa. She is a senior developmental pediatrician, part of leadership team at Umeed, and alongside doing the path-breaking work she does for our community, I think she has not only been a doctor, she's been the mentor, the friend for so many of us, because she's seen our journey from the very beginning. And now coming to our guest of honor, Amol sir. I think obviously he needs no introduction. Sir, thank you so much for this. It means a lot to all parents today. Your work has inspired all of us. It stands for art, for sensitivity, and it is an effort to create that ideal society which probably we all want. Whether it is Ishan and Ram Shankar Kund of Tari Zami Par, Arjun or Aniket, of Hava Hawaii and Stanley and Daisy Miss or Stanley Ka Dabba, it just speaks of that creating those unique bonds, which are filled with love and that unwavering trust, which I think we all need, we thrive for that. And it leaves the audience with smile, with that little tear of joy and renewed belief in human goodness. I have to mention this, I'm sorry, but you can just see how great he is that he just received a message from an unknown number on WhatsApp requesting him to come here today, and he agreed. I mean,
Hi, I am Nehal Tiwari. I am under autism spectrum. I am IT graduate. I did my PSC IT at St. Xavier's College and I completed my graduation in 2020. Then I joined EY on 9 November 2020 and it has been 4 years. I'm working as a consultant in EY. I am also stone painting artist and this is liver stone. We buy it from landscaping shop Kula and these are also acrylic paints and it is made by me. But my favorite is to make Ganpati as it is theme based. I also make Radha Krishna Ram Sita Devi Ji and I also draw mom, baby, animals, etc. And it takes 6-8 hours for me to paint and after time we varnish it after 7 to 8 days and after varnishing it shines. Thank you.
He started painting when he was around 6 to 7 years old, when he was in school in grade 1. And he started, he took more towards abstract paintings to express because he was non-verbal at that point of time, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he's also a foodie, so what kind of food does he like?
Oh my God, he just went crazy over cupcakes. He's got a extremely sweet tooth, so anything to do with ice cream, cupcakes, he loves.
And how long does he take to make to paint one painting? Like, is
It's
there a fixed
about
time?
2 to 3 hours. I think he manages a decent 14 by whatever.
I have always been painting my entire life, and it's been a journey which has definitely given me a lot of freedom to speak about different. So my family in general, one's a writer, one's a journalist, one is a filmmaker, one's a French teacher. You know, so I have a lot of people in my family who have like influenced me to become who I am right now, and I feel like art is another great way to explore different ways of talking about political but also social, different communities. And I think my art I want my art to represent that.
Today we have gathered here for two reasons. One is to celebrate Basant Panchami, which is the beginning of Basant Ritu or spring, and we also honor Goddess Saraswati, Goddess of wisdom, art, music, learning. It could not have been a better time than probably today to launch the exhibit of Art Unbound by our superstar kids. And all this could not have been possible without Dr. Purva. Everything asked from now to the number of experience of everything. Very, very meticulous. What you have done is phenomenal. Hats off to you. Very humbled and with a deep sense of purpose that this gallery is coming to use for the artisans and for budding artists. So we started this in August 2022 and since then every 2 weeks we have some artists. We do not, there is no gallery commission. The whole idea is to promote art, the idea is to make art affordable, idea is to take the art out of commercial galleries and hence this, the gallery here. And